If you're tired of the same old unhealthy dinners, you're in luck today because I'm sharing 7 delicious and nutritious vegetarian dinner ideas that are perfect for a busy week. Dinner time can be tricky, especially when you're trying to keep things healthy and satisfying, but these meals are not only packed with flavor, but also easy to prepare. Let's dive in. Starting with number 7, we have a lentil and veggie curry. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein and rich in iron and fiber, which makes them perfect for a filling and healthy dinner. This curry is packed with hearty vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and spinach, making it a nutrient-dense meal. To make this dish, sauté onions, garlic, and ginger in a pot until fragrant. Add your favorite curry spices, like turmeric, cumin, and coriander, then toss in the lentils and veggies. Pour in some coconut milk and vegetable broth, and let it simmer until everything is tender and flavorful. Serve it over brown rice or with a side of whole wheat naan. This dish is warm, comforting, and perfect for a cozy night in. Next up, number 6 on our list is stuffed bell peppers. Bell peppers are not only low in calories, but also packed with vitamin C and other essential nutrients. For this recipe, you'll want to halve the peppers and remove the seeds. Then, stuff them with a mixture of cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, and your favorite spices. Top the peppers with some shredded cheese or a vegan alternative, and bake them in the oven until the peppers are tender and the cheese is melted. These stuffed bell peppers are not just colorful and fun to eat, but also incredibly satisfying. Plus, they're easy to prepare ahead of time and reheat during the week. Coming in at number 5 is a veggie stir fry with tofu. This is a great option when you want something quick, healthy, and full of flavor. Tofu is a fantastic source of protein and can easily take on the flavors of whatever you're cooking. For this stir fry, simply sauté tofu cubes in a hot pan until golden and crispy. Add in a mix of your favorite vegetables, like broccoli, bell peppers, snap peas, and mushrooms. Stir in some garlic, ginger, and soy sauce or tamari for flavor. Serve it over brown rice or noodles, and you've got a balanced meal that's ready in under 30 minutes. It's perfect for those busy weeknights when you need something fast but nutritious. Number 4 on our list is zucchini noodles with pesto. If you're looking for a lighter dinner option that's still packed with flavor, this one's for you. Zucchini noodles, or zoodles, are a great low-carb alternative to traditional pasta and are rich in vitamins and minerals. To make this dish, simply spiralize some zucchini and toss the noodles with a homemade or store-bought pesto. Add in some cherry tomatoes and a sprinkle of pine nuts or toasted almonds for extra crunch. This dish is fresh, vibrant, and takes just minutes to prepare. Plus, it's a great way to sneak in more veggies. Next up, number 3 is chickpea and spinach stew. Chickpeas are another great source of plant-based protein and fiber, and they pair perfectly with nutrient-rich spinach. For this stew, start by sautéing onions and garlic in a large pot. Add in some canned chickpeas, diced tomatoes, and vegetable broth. Season the stew with cumin, paprika, and a pinch of chili flakes for a bit of heat. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes, then stir in a few handfuls of fresh spinach until wilted. This stew is hearty, flavorful, and perfect for meal prepping. Serve it with a side of crusty bread, and you've got a delicious and nutritious dinner. Number 2 on our list is cauliflower fried rice. If you're looking to cut down on carbs without sacrificing flavor, this dish is a must-try. Cauliflower rice is a low-calorie, nutrient-packed alternative to regular rice, and it works perfectly in this stir-fry. To make this dish, pulse some cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble rice. Sauté the cauliflower rice in a pan with some olive oil, garlic, and ginger. Add in your favorite stir-fry veggies, like peas, carrots, and green onions, and scramble in an egg or two for extra protein. Finish with a splash of soy sauce or tamari, and your cauliflower fried rice is ready to serve. It's quick, easy, and oh so tasty. Finally, at number 1, we have baked sweet potato with black beans. This is a simple yet incredibly satisfying meal that's perfect for any night of the week. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a great base for this dish. To prepare, simply bake the sweet potatoes in the oven until tender. While they're baking, heat up some black beans with a bit of cumin, chili powder, and garlic. Once the potatoes are done, split them open and stuff them with the seasoned black beans. Top with some avocado, salsa, and a squeeze of lime for a burst of flavor. This dish is not just healthy, but also bursting with flavors that will keep you coming back for more. And there you have it, 7 healthy and tasty vegetarian dinner ideas that you can enjoy throughout the week. These meals are easy to prepare, packed with nutrients, and most importantly, delicious. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.